For Facebook? They don't see
I don't want to keep going. Keep going.
Oh, look away.
Yeah, you did. Yo, Matt, you're needed over here.
Okay.
Now this doesn't make me go faster than
Alright, ready?
You gotta go. You gotta. Here,
I know.
Go over there. So I'm baby right now.
you just gotta go as fast as they go.
Oh, wow. Now which one am I, baby?
You're funky. All you
You're
gotta do
funky.
is watch what's going on though. You do what he's doing.
What the
Which
heck?
one am I?
You don't have to touch nothing. Just go with them. Yeah, that red hand is what you're following.
Working in the lab late one night. My eyes
She's perfect.
in sight. For my monster from his cell began to rise. And suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It goes on in a
You're
flash.
gonna have to show us.
He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble
Wait, over to the right.
to get a jolt from my electrode. They did the monster mash. It was a great
Who's taking control? Me.
It
You're right, Levi.
in a flash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking or digging the sound. Egon on chains back by
Who's first? Oh, man.
The puppet bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five. They played the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
I don't remember her feet, her hands, her arms,
They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin, Drax's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my throttling Louis?" It's now the monster mash. And it's a graveyard smash. It's called
You're right.
Flash. It's now the monster
But tell me what to do.
Now everything's cool.
Why don't you move up here?
Back.
Because I'm gone out over the front.
Smash is the
Well,
hit
then
of the
just stop
land.
telling me to
For
move.
you, the living, this smash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them boys sent you. Then you can monster
Yeah, right, Sharon?
and do my graveyard smash. You'll catch on in a flash. Then you can monster mash. It's good.
It's good.
Easy, Igor. You can choose another boy.
Oh, that was great.
That was actually pretty good though. It was
Why are you
slow.